Here's some Mummies and Tombs trivia. Subscribe. Which pharaoh's tomb was discovered in 1922? Is it A. Ramses II, B. Akhenaten, C. Tutankhamun, or D. Cleopatra VII? The correct answer is C. Tutankhamun. What was removed from bodies before mummification? Is it A. blood, B. bones, C. organs, or D. hair? The correct answer is C. organs. What material was commonly used to wrap mummies? Is it A. cotton, B. silk, C. linen, or D. wool? The correct answer is C. Which excavation site is famous for pyramids? Is it A. Giza, B. Teotihuacan, C. Stonehenge, or D. Machu Picchu? The correct answer is A. Giza. What color symbolized immortality in ancient Egypt? Is it A. purple, B. blue, C. red, or D. green? The correct answer is D. green. What mineral was used for body preservation? Is it A. charcoal, B. clay, C. salt, or D. natron? The correct answer is D. natron. Which discovery revealed hieroglyphic writing? Is it A. Sphinx statue, B. Egyptian tombs, C. Rosetta Stone, or D. Nile River? The correct answer is C. Rosetta Stone. Which famous female pharaoh was known to wear a fake beard? Is it A. Nefertiti, B. Elizabeth I, C. Cleopatra, or D. Hatshepsut? The correct answer is D. Hatshepsut. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.